Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of loops. First of all, what is meant by loop? Loop is nothing but repetition of same process. In other words, repetition of same set of instructions provided by the user. It is keep on looping until the provided condition is satisfied. So let's have a look on classification flow of loops. We can classify the loops in two ways. First one is fixed loop and second one is flexible loop. Fixed loop is useful to run the macro based on fixed iterations. Coming to flexible loops is useful to run the macro based on flexible iterations. So next my question is, what is meant by iteration? In simple terminology, an application completed the execution of loops body one time, then that process is termed as iteration. Coming to fixed loops, we can subcategorize into two ways. First one is for next loop, second one is for each next loop. In the for next loop, user can use numeric expression as loop variable. Coming to for each next loop, user can use object element as loop variable. Next, coming to flexible loops, we can subcategorize into two ways. First one is do until loop, second one is do while loop. These do loops are entirely dependent on satisfying the logical expressions. So this is the brief introduction about the classification of the loops. In my next video, I will explain in detail about each and every category of the loop. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.